Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing some bumper repair on my Ford Focus. So my bumper has come loose here, and you know how you see those people going down the road and it looks like their bumpers kind of fly off? Well, that's what's happened to this. I've had people play bumper cars with me, and the final straw was a goose kamikazing into my car. So that's what's left of the goose there. And so it kind of just ripped the bumper off the rest of the way. So I'm gonna do a little quick fix here to hold the bumper onto the vehicle. So I've got my drill and some zip ties here. We're just gonna drill some holes into the bumper here in the wheel well and on the wheel well itself to hold the bumper onto the vehicle. So now that I've got my holes drilled, I'm going to stick the zip tie through one hole and through the other hole. Like that, and I'm going to do it with each of them before I tighten the zip tie. Okay, so now that we've got the zip ties ran through each hole, we can go ahead and pull them tight. So there you go. It'll stay on there now so you don't look like an idiot with your bumper flailing in the wind going down the road.